Hey legacy builders, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen McNeely with JWM Designs and Marketing, and in this video I'm going to talk about a free alternative to using QuickBooks. It's called Wave app, and I absolutely love this app. This is not a paid endorsement or sponsorship. This is an app that I actually use for both of my businesses. It is a great alternative to QuickBooks, and I want to tell you all about it because I know we're at the beginning of 2022 and it's time for us to get our books and our lives and our businesses in order. I've put a link to the Wave app in the description box below, but in this video I'm going to talk a little bit more about some of the awesome features that Wave app offers for those of you who are just starting your businesses or who want to make sure you get your businesses on the right foot after your first year in business. Like I said, I use Wave app for both of my companies, and it's an amazing accounting and bookkeeping tool for small business owners. The best part of Wave app, honestly to me, is the bookkeeping and accounting services that are completely free. Yes, you heard that right. Completely free. And it's not one of those, let's say it's free, but then you have to pay all these freemium type things. No, it actually is free. So let's take a look. Why now? Simply put, it's never too late to get your business books in order. How will you know if you have a profitable business if you don't have a clear way to track your expenses, your incomes, your profits, your losses? Not to mention tracking your cash flow. That's going to help assist you when it comes time to get your taxes in order, to get an idea of whether or not you want to take on a partnership, new venture, or make a large capital expenditure. How can you know if you can afford these things if you're not tracking your bookkeeping and accounting things throughout the year? That's where Wave app steps in. There are a host of reasons why tracking your cash flow is so important for your growing business, and I just want to go through some of those features because I think after you watch this video, you will realize the importance of tracking all of this information, your financial information, throughout the year versus waiting until the last minute at the beginning of the year to try to pull all your receipts, your expenses together and wonder, what did you spend money on last year? So what is Wave app? Wave app is a cloud-based platform that provides accounting, invoicing, payments, and payroll services. The invoicing and accounting services are completely free, while there is a pay-per-use fee for payment processing. Wave app also charges a monthly fee for payroll if you're going to manage a payroll for independent contractors or regular W-2 employees. Customers can choose from one or all of the available services for their businesses when they sign up for an account with Wave app. So let's look at some of those specific services. Invoicing. With Wave app, you can create and send professional looking invoices, receipts, quotes, and estimates all from the app. The software allows you to create recurring invoices for repeat customers and to automatically charge your customer's credit card for those recurring invoices. You will have the flexibility to switch between an automatic or manual billing. You can access your customer's information at any time, and you can track all of your payments all in one place. A bonus is that all of your invoicing and payment information automatically syncs with the accounting software, so you don't have to go back and forth and try to reconcile the different payments that you've received with your accounts. Need a mobile invoicing option? Wave app's got you covered. For iOS and Android, you'll be able to use the app to get notifications, accept payments, and view all of your invoices on the go. Accounting and bookkeeping. In my opinion, the best feature about Wave app is your ability to connect your business bank accounts and credit cards to the Wave app software so that you can track all of your income and expenses. You can connect as many accounts as you have. You can also manage more than one business all under the same Wave app account. After you log in, the dashboard is going to display your connected accounts, your cash balances, your net income, expense breakdown, overdue bills and invoices, your cash flow information from the last year, profits and losses from the last year, and month-to-month business accounting reports. And you can download all of those reports and easily send those to your accountant or to your tax preparer. You can connect, like I said, a number of accounts and credit cards to there so it can run multiple businesses from one Wave account, but also you can manage multiple accounts if that's what you do. I know some of you might use the profit first, book and their process for having multiple accounts when running your business, now you can have one place where all of those accounts merge so that you can track it all from one location. Wave app also allows you to create customizable expenses and income categories that best fit your business. So if they have a category that doesn't necessarily fit what you do, you can just create one based on your business needs. Additionally, you can add customers, vendors, you can invite someone like your tax preparer to collaborate and log in, and you won't even have to download all of your reports because they can log in if you want. If you've got someone in your office that's managing it, like your office manager, they're the person that can handle that for you if you want them to. Or you could do it all yourself. It's really up to you, and I love the flexibility about the bookkeeping and accounting software. And like I mentioned, it's completely free. Payments and payroll. Unlike the accounting and invoicing features, Wave app payment processing and payroll services are not free, but they're also competitively priced. With Wave app's payment processing, your customers can pay their outstanding balances through the Wave app invoices that you send to them. Wave app accepts credit card, bank payments, and Apple Pay. You can expect to get your payouts within 2 to 7 business days, depending on whether someone pays with a credit card or if they pay with their bank. Plus, payments are automatically tracked to your accounting records, so you don't have to worry about bookkeeping there. For your credit card payments, you will be charged 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction and 1% per transaction for your bank payments. Wave app's payroll services cover independent contractors and employees, and the software will create 1099 and W-2 forms for tax time. The software also gives you the option of making direct deposits to your team, which is a big bonus. Depending on the state where you operate from, Wave app's payroll services can also file and pay your state and federal payroll taxes. While this service is not available in every state, Wave app is slowly rolling it out throughout the country. You'll check the website to see if your state is on the list for states that they do the payroll taxes for you. The fees for the payroll service vary, and some features are not available in all states, so you'll have to check Wave app's website for that information. So you may be asking yourself, well, what if I don't know anything about accounting and bookkeeping? How will I use this software if I don't even know where to start? First of all, if you're in business, you got to get yourself familiar with accounting and bookkeeping. I know it's not the best subject, it's not the easiest to learn, but it's so important as a business owner, and it's vital for you to have a good idea of your financial resources and situation throughout the time that you're running your business. Now, Wave app does have a lot of resources on their website to help you understand how to use the software and what each tool actually does. They also have a blog that provides additional tools and guidance, and if you require a more one-on-one approach, you can connect with one of Wave app's advisors for a fee. They have so many different ways for you to be able to learn how to use the software. There's really no excuse. You need to make sure you take control of your financial security in your business. If the service is free for invoicing, accounting, and receipt scanning, how can I be sure that my bank information is safe? As we all know, nothing is 100% safe online. That's just the way of the world. However, I would describe the service as very safe. Wave app servers are protected physically and electronically. Any connection between you and Wave app is protected by a 256-bit SSL encryption. Wave app also has a PCI DSS Level 1 service provider. Believe me, they do everything they can to protect your data and your information. Does it matter if I use the software on Mac or PC? Absolutely not. The service is cloud-based and can be used on either platform, and the mobile apps are available on iOS and Android systems. So once again, you got no excuse. You can definitely use this software. If your business is small or just getting started, is having accounting software even necessary? Oh my God, it's so necessary. When it comes to the financial health of your business, ignorance is not bliss. It's actually really dangerous on multiple levels. Whether your business is a side hustle or a main hustle, you need to easily pinpoint the viability of your business. If your goal for starting a business is to eventually go full-time, how are you gonna know when your business is ready to sustain your needs if you have no idea if your business is even profitable? Additionally, Uncle Sam will demand his cut, and if you don't know your cash flow from the prior year when it comes to tax time, you may find yourself facing steep government fees and all kinds of audits. You just don't want to deal with that. So make sure you have all of your ducks in a row, and this accounting software makes it so easy. So let's recap. In this video, we talked about Wave's app, which is a cloud-based accounting and bookkeeping service provider for small businesses. It is a less expensive alternative to QuickBooks, and it integrates with your bank, which makes it a lot easier for you to track your expenses and your income. Wave provides free and paid service solutions that integrate seamlessly with one another. Depending on your business needs, you can sign up for all of the services or maybe just one. I myself am only using the accounting and bookkeeping services because I have an invoicing system through another system, and I have no need for payroll at this time. Also, Wave app provides so much educational information and tools to help you understand basic business accounting and how to protect your business and understand how to forecast for the future. Your action steps are to visit waveapp.com and look at your options. You can sign up for the free accounting software and then just go from there. Take a look around the website, look at the blog, look at the information, look at the FAQs. Compare whatever your bookkeeping system that you're currently using, compare it with what Wave app is offering and get going. We're in January 2022. Now is the best time to go ahead and get your things in order so that as the year goes on, it's going to be a lot easier for you to plug this information in to your system. And that way, when you come to January 2023, you're ready for tax time. Ask yourself which platform best meets your needs and get started. It's time to take your business to the next level, be serious about it, stop procrastinating, and just get it done. All right, guys, I hope you're finding this video and other videos helpful as you continue to navigate the process of becoming a full-time entrepreneur. I am here rooting for you. I'm going through the same process as you all, transitioning from full-time employee to a full-time entrepreneur. I love hearing from you guys, and I love being able to help you. And I want to know, what software are you going to use for your business? Will you continue to use QuickBooks, hire a bookkeeper, or will you try out Wave app? I want to hear in the comments from you. What works best for you, and how are you keeping track of your bookkeeping and accounting needs throughout the year? And if you've got any questions about this video or videos you'd like to see, or other apps or services that you'd like me to try out and give a review, please leave a message in the comment box or send me a message. I absolutely love hearing from you guys. Also, you can check out my blog post while I'll have this video, as well as other links at jwmdesigns.com, so that you can learn a little bit more about the features of Wave app if you've got any questions about what we've talked about in this video. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and my handles for all those sites are listed in the description box below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can receive updates when I have new videos and new content out there. Like I said, you guys, this year, 2022, we are going to be putting out a lot of information, things that are going to help you thrive, help you grow your business, help you become better at being a business owner. Just because you're small doesn't mean you're not mighty. I am all about you guys building your legacies, because you know what? Together we are legacy builders, and that means we take action. So keep building, y'all.